Hi everyone, welcome back to RTS and happy Thanksgiving. Yes, I hope you are still celebrating the holiday. Yes. Now, if you are taking a break from all the Black Friday shopping, thank you for stopping in. Yes. And I wanted to do a special little video because I want to do a special little giveaway to say thank you to all of you for such kindness, support, and encouragement since I started this channel. So I wanted to do a giveaway just to say thank you. And I don't want to say too much because you know how I get weepy. But over the last few weeks, I've been pulling things together to making up a little kit. Yes, and you'll see the theme in just a minute. Yes. And again, I just wanted to say thank you for everything. And just for being you, just for being my lovely subscribers. And so at the end of the video, you can read how to enter this giveaway because there's two different options depending on where you live. Okay, so what did I want to do? Well, first of all, I have to include paper because this giveaway is a kit. Yes, I have made a kit. And of course you can see the theme is going to be fall. Yes. And so of course I had to include some Carta Bella paper. Yes. So I have a collection pack here. This is by the fabulous Stephen Duncan by Carta Bella, and this is the autumn collection. And then this is just a beautiful collection. I can't say anything else about it other than it's beautiful. But then I also wanted to include an extra piece of paper from that collection, and this is the scene. And whoever the winner is, I hope you take this piece of paper and you record a story. You do not need a photo. Yes, I wanted to include an extra sheet of that because that is what I want you to do. That is your challenge, to do this piece of paper. Now, I also bought a couple extra sheets from that collection, and that would be these 2 sheets of cut-aparts because I wanted you to have the cut-aparts as embellishments, but then also to have this fabulous ledger paper, okay? And so I just picked up a couple extra sheets. So there is the cut-aparts, and then record the story on this fabulous, and what is that paper called? Harvest Season. It's just beautiful. And so I absolutely am going to do this myself, so that is my challenge for you. Okay, so now let's keep on talking. So what I did then also for this giveaway thankful kit, yes, I wanted to include some cardstock. So I took the fall colors and I got some basil papers in the fall colors, okay? And again, this is the inspiration. This is the mood and feel for the whole kit. Yes, okay. And so I'll just keep that to the side. And then I also have a Bella Boulevard 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This is Hello Autumn, and it's basically the same colors. And then also I have a 12 by 12 Jelly Bean Soup die cut. They call it pea pod parts. Yes, I can't remember all their names, but it's fabulous stuff. And again, all this goes with the fall and autumn type thing. And then what else papers do I have? I have a 6x6 paper pad by Echo Park, Dots and Stripes, again with the fall colors. Now I have 3 more piles, and where do I go? Well, let's go here. No, I have 4 piles. I told you I've been putting this together for a couple weeks because I do want to say thank you. Yes, that's what this is all about. How about some tools? Yes. Let's do that. Okay, so I have been playing with a certain tool the last few months, and you know it's been thicker alignment guides, and so that is exactly what I have. I have a set of the thicker alignment guides, and this was the first set, and not only did I do the first set, I picked up one of the second sets. Yes, so now you can have both of them. Love these alignment guides. So that is in the giveaway, my thankful to you giveaway. And then I also have an embossing folder, and I'm probably getting some glare, doesn't matter. And this is by Echo Park, and this is in the banners, and so banners any season, any holiday. And then I have a Bow Bunny stamp set in the flourishes, again for fall. And then I have a 10-piece die set, and this is by Memento, and this is all these beautiful leaves. Yes, there's some fun tools. Fun tools. Okay, now let's get into some embellishments. Okay, so we'll put some of this stuff here. And we probably can't even see what our inspiration paper was. Oh, I just love Carta Bella. Yes, okay. So we're just going to keep that there. I'll put all this pack of tools right here. We'll just keep on playing. Yes. Okay, so now, of course, you know, I had to put a thicker set in here. So I have some gold thickers. Lovely little font. Okay, so I have that. And then we have some more wood veneer stickers. These are by Memento. Very, very fun. Then I have some burlap flowers and burlap bows. Yes. I can't even say anything else but burlap bows. Yes, I've been loving them this year. Now, another pile that I have. Oh, where do I even go? Well, let me go to the next pile. Hang on just a minute. I wanted to add some texture. for this thank you giveaway. And so I have some burlap, and I have some corrugated paper, and then I have some cork. There's the cork, and then here's some waffle paper. And so then also too, I got out my We Are Memory Keeper mini 8 doily punch, and I did a few doilies in these fall colors, and so that'll be included. And then, you know, I had to put in a stack of Cambridge doilies in the 6-inch, and a stack in the 4-inch. Yes, there's quite a bit of stack in there. You'll have enough doilies to play with for a while. Okay, and then what else do I have for texture? Oh, ready for this? I have some glassine bags, okay? So that's going to be in with this kit, and I'll just stick that somewhere. I don't know, we're getting this all here. But again, we're playing with texture. And then more texture, as I picked up some buttons in a specialty shop one day traveling, and I just picked them up in some fall colors. And then I found a wonderful wood veneer. Look at this acorn, okay? Now, that might be a little lump and bump on a page, but you could use it on a mini album or something like that, okay? And then also, what do I have? I have something else here for texture, okay? So go with me a little bit, okay? I just play when I'm having a giveaway, yes. Okay, now I have some alphabet tiles here, and let's see what we can spell with these Scrabble alphabet tiles. Okay, so what are we going to spell? You know what we're going to spell. We're going to spell autumn. So yes, I absolutely picked those up. And again, that would be very fun for a mini album. So there's some autumn. Yes, beautiful acorn. Some buttons. Have fun. Okay. And then I also, yes, we're going to have to move some more things. I have some of these manila tags. I've been using these in some of my go-to design and series, and so there's some manila tags, and then I have some stickers. These are by My Mind's Eye, again in that yellow mustard, perfect for fall. And then I have some simple stories. I have some simple stories 4x6 pocket page cards, so that is going in. And then I have some 3x4 pocket page cards, again, by Simple Stories. Again, family, fall. All of that beautiful stuff. Okay, now what do I have next? Oh, okay. I'm not done. Yes, I have 3 more piles. Okay, so I have some stickers. Bella Boulevard, they went with that 12x12 sticker sheet. Jelly Bean Soup stickers. And I have some Teresa Collins wood grain label stickers. And then some, yes, Cartabella enamel dots that goes with that collection pack. Yes. Now I'm going to keep on going. Yes, I am. Okay, now you know I had to put some trimmings in here. So, of course, I have the Cartabella from that same collection, the autumn collection, that gingham washi tape. And then I have some Jelly Bean Soup. I have 3 feet of this in the craft, washi paper tape, that type of thing. And then I have some twine bundles. And the twine bundles are from Lawn Fawn in this red and this brown and candy corn. Yes, so those are Lawn Fawn little twine bundles. And then I was in another specialty shop, and I found this twill ribbon, and it says Cherished Memories. And I thought, how perfect to include that. And I think there was a couple yards, so that will definitely be in this. And of course, I'll have it much neater when I send that. And then I'm looking around. I think I have one more thing, and I wanted to include that. Is that I am going to give some of my faux chipboard pieces of butterflies and circles and these DIY flags. And of course, I'll have a video link below if you're interested. And then I also have some Fancy Pants mega cork in the arrows and the hearts. And I am going to include all of that in with this lovely kit. And then one more thing I'm going to include is that I'm going to include a bag for the embellishments, and a bag for a 6x12 bag for your thickers, and then also one of those 15x15 bag for your kit. So I will have everything ready for you just to start open and to start playing with this Thankful for You, because honestly, that's what this whole giveaway is about. Just a small way for me to say thank you. Now, how to enter this Thankful for You giveaway? Simply, you must be over 18 and a subscriber, of course, and then leave a comment below and just simply write something you're thankful for. It could be anything at all. That's all. Just something you're thankful for. And then also too, this is for USA only when it comes to the product. Okay, and so if you are an international winner, what I will do is I will give you a $25 gift card to Scrapbook Generations, and that way you can get some sketches and things like that, and you don't have to worry about shipping and cost. You can just do it online. Because I've noticed that over the last 6 or 7 months, overseas shipping has gotten so excessive. It absolutely is hard on you and hard on me. So we're just going to do if you're an international winner, it's too expensive to send this, okay? So I will just do a $25 gift card to Scrapbook Generations, okay? And you can absolutely get some sketches and some idea books. They have beautiful stuff over there, okay? So that's what we'll do if you are an international winner. Okay, so, but for the actual product, if you're USA, there you go. We have it all, because this is very, very heavy. Paper is getting very heavy. Okay, and of course we have all these tools and supplies, and yeah. Okay, so I don't want to get too sappy, and if I talk too much, I'll start weeping. But again, thank you to all of my lovely subscribers. I can't thank you enough. And so whoever the winner is, please enjoy. But also to all of you, you're a winner in my book. So thank you, and happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy the weekend, and come back in a few days. We're going to continue. In about 3 or 4 days, we'll continue with our Go-To Design series. So come back to RTS, because you never know what we're going to learn. Thank you. Bye.